Hi everyone, welcome to my channel if this is your first visit. In this channel, the simple goal is to have fun with design and manufacturing. Work holding is critical to any machining operation. Prior to any drilling, milling or cutting, the workpiece has to be held in a rigid manner that prevents any types of movements during the operation. There are different types of work holding methods. This presentation features a hold down type of a clamp as shown. The clamp components are constructed out of standard stock aluminum 6061. The body has been designed from a quarter thick standard stock. The base pivot is made from half-inch square stock. The bushing is 3/8 diameter hollow stock. The main pivot is constructed from 3/4 diameter standard stock. 1032 stainless steel screws hold the assembly together. The 159 diameter hole is for the 1032 thread tapping. The 201 is the clearance hole for the 1032 screw, which has an OD of 190. The machining is planned to have all the holes center drilled first. The 159 holes are then completed, followed by the 201 clearance holes. Next, all the engraving is completed by utilizing a 30 thousandths ball end mill. We now run the first profile milling contour at an 8 depth to make clearance for the chamfer tool. The 60-degree chamfer tool breaks all the edges. The final profile contour run is now made at an 8 depth. This operation exposes the 50 thousandths high tabs. Here is the actual cutting footage.